Hello, it's me back again. This time I'm here to give you a tutorial on how to produce the best pieces using your camera phone. So the virtual festival requires you to shoot your pieces in 1080p or 720p, but 1080p being the best. I understand that there's 4K and all that stuff, but we want 1080, not 4K. 1080. So how do we go about that? So first of all, you go into your camera settings, right? And then you go and look for your video settings. So in the video settings, you will see that there are options of what resolution to shoot your video in. So when you go there, you will look for the resolution 920 by 1080, or you will find HD 1280 by 720. So you choose one of the two, as long as it is high definition HD. And then once you've selected that, you go back and then you can start your video. Now, the other thing is, when you are looking for the resolutions, make sure you are looking for the rear camera, not your front facing camera. What do I mean by rear camera? This one, right here. This is the one we are talking about. Okay, this is the one that you should use to shoot your video, because that is the one with the best resolution. Now I understand some cameras will have like the best cameras, selfie cameras, etc., etc. That's fine, but as long as it is in 1080p, etc., etc. This is your selfie camera. This is the front-facing camera. Most phones, like mine, which is a budget phone, okay, this camera is terrible at videoing, especially in low light conditions. We'll touch about lighting later, but we prefer you use this one, the back-facing camera. Okay? Great. And make sure you like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel.